In this video, we're going to discuss what we mean by the term noun phrase. Let's put up a definition. A noun phrase is a group of words headed by a noun that includes modifiers. So this is a simple example of a noun phrase, the man. It is headed by the noun man, and the word the is a modifier. It modifies the noun. Let's put up another example, the tall man. Well, this noun phrase is headed by the noun man, and the modifiers are the and tall. They modify the noun. The tall man in the corner. Well, the noun phrase is headed by man again. It is modified by these, but it is also modified by this. This is called a prepositional phrase, and they usually appear immediately after the head noun. But you can see how it modifies the word man, because it tells us which man. Therefore, it's a modifier. Let's change it up a little bit. The corner near the oak tree. Well, this time, the word corner is the head noun. It is modified by the word the, and just like the one above, it is modified by what's called a prepositional phrase. So this tells us which corner. As we saw with the first example, the man, noun phrases can be very short. Here's another example, an ant. So the head noun is ant, and it's modified by an. Small green creatures. Well, creatures is the head noun, modified by two adjectives. His box of small nails. Box is the head noun, modified by his, and also the prepositional phrase of small nails. It describes the box. A long belt of bullets. A and long modify belt, so does the prepositional phrase of bullets. Okay, hopefully you're starting to get a feel for what noun phrases are. Let's get rid of some of that. I want to leave these ones up. Look at the first one. The word corner is also a noun, and it has been modified by the. This is an example of a noun phrase within a noun phrase. And look at this. The word tree is also a noun. It is modified by the word the and the word oak. So the oak tree is a noun phrase. And it's within the wider noun phrase, the corner near the oak tree. Here is another example. Small nails is a noun phrase. Nails is the head noun. It is modified by the adjective small. It is part of the prepositional phrase of small nails, which is modifying the head noun box. It is an example of a noun phrase within a noun phrase. Okay, I deliberately used all the terms there so you can start getting used to them. Hopefully that made sense. Look at this though. A long belt of bullets is a noun phrase, but the word bullets is not a noun phrase, because remember, a noun phrase has to be a group of words. The word bullets has no modifiers, therefore it can't be a noun phrase. Okay, let's get rid of some of that. You might have noticed we didn't talk about these words. These words are not modifiers. These words are called prepositions. Prepositions are used to show relationships between words. We have a whole lesson on prepositions. In our first example, the word in shows the relationship between the corner and the tall man. And the one underneath it, near, shows the relationship between the oak tree and the corner. Okay, that's enough on prepositions. Let's get rid of a little bit more, leaving us with just these two noun phrases. And let's put these in a more useful place on the slide. Okay, let's make a sentence out of this. His box of small nails were under the stairs. This is wrong. This is wrong because the head noun is box. Therefore, we can't say were, we have to say was. And this is a key point with noun phrases. You have to spot the head noun because when it is the subject of a verb, it is the head noun that governs the verb. Let's look at the next example. A long belt of bullets have been found by the police. This is also wrong. The head noun is belt. Belt is singular, so this should be has. Keep an eye out for this when you're dealing with noun phrases. Don't let the modifiers detract from the head noun. So don't let the word nails detract from box, and don't let the word bullets detract from belt. Okay, enough on that. There's something else we need to say about noun phrases. Noun phrases can also be headed by a pronoun that includes modifiers. So look at this, the one. The word one is a type of pronoun and it's modified by the. The tall one. Again, one, a pronoun modified by the and tall. Here's another example. Someone in need of help. Well, someone is a pronoun and it's being modified by this prepositional phrase. So this is a noun phrase. So that means our definition is not quite accurate. Let's change it. A noun phrase is a group of words headed by a noun or a pronoun that includes modifiers. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Let's put up a real life example and go through it to spot the noun phrases. My brother is trying to convince the family that he's a compulsive liar. None of us believes a word of it. Brother is a noun. My brother is the noun phrase. Family, head noun. The family, the noun phrase. Liar, the head noun. A compulsive liar, the noun phrase. None, head noun, only it's a pronoun. None of us, the noun phrase. Word is the head noun. Our word of it, the noun phrase. Let's try another one. A fuel cell works much like an electric battery, converting chemical energy into electrical energy using the movement of charged hydrogen ions across an electrolyte membrane to generate current. Okay, let's pick out the noun phrases. Cell is the head noun. A fuel cell is the noun phrase. Battery is the head noun. An electric battery is the noun phrase. Energy is the head noun. Chemical energy is the noun phrase. Energy is the head noun. Electrical energy is the noun phrase. Movement is the head noun. The movement of charged hydrogen ions across an electrolyte membrane is the noun phrase. Of course, you might have spotted that this noun phrase includes two embedded noun phrases. Charged hydrogen ions is a noun phrase, but here it's part of a modifier. An electrolyte membrane is also a noun phrase, but it's also part of a modifier. Both of those modifiers, of charged hydrogen ions and across an electrolyte membrane, modify the head noun movement. Okay, that was quite complicated, but hopefully it all made sense. Okay, let's get rid of that. Don't forget, as in with this example, a noun phrase can be headed by a pronoun. I want to leave you with some of the examples that we've done. So, the man. Remember, noun phrases can be short, but they have to be at least 2 words. The tall one. A noun phrase can be headed by a pronoun. The tall man in the corner. In a noun phrase, the modifier is often a prepositional phrase. And his box of small nails. Don't forget that the head noun governs the verb. The word nails doesn't. This noun phrase is singular. That's all. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on grammarmonster.com.